Hi guys, I know it's been a long time since we've done a video tutorial. Winter weather's just got me down, man. It's depressing. So today I'm going to do just a classic kind of retro pinup look. I'm going to attempt to do my hair as well, which might not go over so great, I don't know. But I did want to let everybody know while I've got you here, if you didn't see the post from the other day, we have recruited a hairstylist for the Mosh Posh now. Her name is Michaela. She's fantastic at what she does. I'm trying to get some stuff posted, some photos, so you can kind of see her portfolio, and that should be happening within a few days here, like over the course of the next couple weeks. So keep an eye out.
enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact me through the links in the description below. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook.